Hello dear students. In last lecture we have discussed about the prokaryotic cell or the structure of bacterial cell. Today's our next topic is the structure of eukaryotic cell. But before that, first of all, we have discussed about the what is meant by eukaryotic cell. So what is the actual definition of eukaryotic cell? The cell which contain well-defined or a true nucleus with double membrane bound cell organelles is called as a eukaryotic cell. मग eukaryotic cell ची डेफिनेशन काय सांगितलं तुम्हाला त्या ठिकाणी ते सिंपली the cell have well defined or true nucleus and double membrane bound cell organelles is called eukaryotic cell. The cell are having well defined or true nucleus as well as the double membrane bound cell organelles is called as eukaryotic cell. Okay, the examples of eukaryotic cells are first plant cell and second animal cell. The examples of eukaryotic cells are plant cell and animal cell. So the plant cell and animal cell are having following parts, means the eukaryotic cell consists following parts, that is मग eukaryotic cell मध्ये कोणते कोणते पार्ट्स असतात तर फर्स्ट पार्ट असेल फर्स्ट सेल वॉल, सेकंड प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन, थर्ड cytoplasm and cell organelles, that is मग कोणते कोणते सेल ऑर्गॅनेल्स असतील तर फर्स्ट माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया, सेकंड गोल्गी बॉडीज और गोल्गी एपरेटस और गोल्गी कॉम्प्लेक्स. ओके, गोल्गी बॉडीज, गोल्गी एपरेटस और गोल्गी कॉम्प्लेक्स. थर्ड एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम. फोर्थ प्लास्टिड्स. नेक्स्ट वैक्यूल्स. नेक्स्ट लाइसोसोम्स. नेक्स्ट राइबोसोम्स. नेक्स्ट पेरोक्सिसोम्स. नेक्स्ट स्पेरोसोम्स. नेक्स्ट ग्लाइक्सोसोम्स. Next centrioles, etc. Okay, these are all cell organelles are present in eukaryotic cell. So I again repeat, first of all we have discussed about that what is by eukaryotic cell. The definition of eukaryotic cell is the cell have well defined true nucleus as well as the double membrane bound cell organelles is called as eukaryotic cell. And the examples of eukaryotic cell is plant cell and animal cell. So the eukaryotic cell consists following parts: first cell wall, plasma membrane, cytoplasm and cell organelles. So which cell organelles are present? First mitochondria, Golgi complex, endoplasmic reticulum, plastids. Okay. Next vacuoles, lysosomes, ribosomes, peroxisomes, spirosomes, glycosomes, centrioles, etc. मग आता आपल्याला ह्या सगळ्या सेल ऑर्गेनेलचा स्टडी करण्याआधी आपण आधी कशाचा स्टडी करूया, तर आधी दोन्ही सेलच्या डायग्राम. मग त्याच्यामध्ये पहिली प्लांट सेल आणि दुसरी कोणती असेल तर ॲनिमल सेल. कारण की आधी दोन्ही सेलच्या डायग्राम स्टडी केल्याशिवाय आपल्याला सेल ऑर्गेनेलचा स्टडी करता येणार नाही. मग आपल्याला एक एक पार्ट स्टडी करायचा आहे. मग सेल वॉल असेल, प्लाझ्मा मेम्ब्रेन असेल, सायटोप्लाझम असेल आणि सेल ऑर्गेनेल्स असतील. ओके, मग चला आता आपण सुरुवातीला काय करूया, तर पहिले प्लांट सेलची डायग्राम ड्रॉ करूया आणि नंतर ॲनिमल सेलची. सो इन प्लांट सेल द सेल वॉल इज प्रेझेंट and the cell wall is made up by 3 layers. Okay, so first layer is called as middle lamella, second layer is called as first, okay, so the outermost layer of cell wall is called as middle lamella, and middle lamella are present in between two cells, in between two adjacent cells. Okay, so the structure is called as middle lamella. Okay, after middle lamella the inner membrane is called as primary wall, and inside the primary wall the secondary wall are present. Inside the primary wall the secondary wall are present. Inside the primary wall the secondary wall are present. Okay, so this is the structure of cell wall of plant cell. Okay, cell wall of plant cell. मग आता सेल वॉल मध्ये काय सांगितलंय, तर बघा हा जो लेअर असेल याला काय नाव द्यायचं, तर मिडल लॅमेला. मिडल लॅमेला. ओके, त्याच्यानंतर हा जो लेअर असेल याला काय नाव द्यायचं, तर प्रायमरी वॉल. प्रायमरी वॉल. आणि हा जो लेअर असेल याला काय नाव देणार, तर सेकंडरी वॉल. सेकंडरी वॉल. and when three layers are combined togetherly they form cell wall. तीन लेअर ज्यावेळेस एकत्र येतात त्यावेळेस त्याच्यापासून काय तयार होतं, तर सेल वॉल तयार होते. इनसाइड दी सेल वॉल, इनसाइड दी सेल वॉल a thin and transparent layer are present. Inside the cell wall a thin and transparent layer are present. Thin and transparent layer are present. Is called as plasma membrane. Is called as plasma membrane. Means inside the cell wall a thin and transparent membrane are present called as plasma membrane. Okay, so this structure are called as plasma membrane. Plasma membrane. Okay, plasma membrane. Inside the plasma membrane a fluid are present or semi fluid like structure are present is called as cytoplasm. Inside the plasma membrane a semi fluid like structure are present are called as cytoplasm. Cytoplasm. Okay, this is called as cytoplasm. So these structure are called as cytoplasm. Okay, so in plant cell, the large vacuoles are present and they occupy more space. So in plant cell, the vacuoles are present near the center of cell. Large vacuoles are present near the center of cells. So these structure are called as vacuoles. Okay, these structure are called as vacuoles. And near the vacuole, the structure are present that is called as nucleus. The structure are present called as nucleus. Okay, so this is the nuclear membrane, and inside the nucleus, the nucleoplasm are present, and in nucleoplasm, the nucleolus are present. In nucleoplasm, nucleolus are present, and on nuclear membrane, a network-like structure are present that is called as endoplasmic reticulum. But on endoplasmic reticulum, the ribosomes are present. So hence, this endoplasmic reticulum are called as rough endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, rough endoplasmic reticulum. So this is the nucleus. In nucleus, nucleolus are present, and this structure are called as endoplasmic reticulum, but rough endoplasmic reticulum, RER, rough endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, so in plant cell, the other cell organelles are also present. Which organelles are present? So main organelle are chloroplast. Okay, so in plant cell, the chloroplasts are present. But in animal cell, the chloroplast or plastids are absent. So the structure are called as, chloroplast. Okay, this structure are called as chloroplast. The another cell organelle are present in plant cell, that is called as mitochondria. And mitochondria, it is a double membrane bound cell organelle. Okay, this structure are called as mitochondria. Okay, so this cell organelle are called as mitochondria. Okay, so the dense particles are present. In the cytoplasm of cell. The dense particles are present in the cytoplasm of cell are called as ribosomes. Dense particles are present are called as ribosomes. Okay, so the another cell organelle are present in plant cell, that is Golgi body, Golgi apparatus or Golgi complex. Golgi body, Golgi apparatus or Golgi complex. Okay, so Golgi body, Golgi complex made up by, yes, sac-like structure, that is cisternae, vesicles and tubules. Okay, cisternae, vesicles and tubules. So this structure are called as Golgi body. Golgi complex. Okay, so this is the structure of plant cell. हे स्ट्रक्चर कुणाचं असेल तर प्लांट सेलचं. मग तुम्हाला 3 मार्क्सला जर विचारलं गेलं, ड्रॉ अ वेल लेबल डायग्राम ऑफ प्लांट सेल, तर तुम्हाला अशा पद्धतीने त्या ठिकाणी काय काढायचं, तर डायग्राम काढायची. मग कशाची डायग्राम काढणार, तर प्लांट सेलची. परंतु आता ॲनिमल सेल मध्ये काय फरक असतो, तर एक गोष्ट महत्त्वाची लक्षात ठेवायची. इन ॲनिमल सेल, सेल वॉल इज ॲब्सेंट. ॲनिमल सेल मध्ये काय असतं, तर सेल वॉल ॲब्सेंट असतं. मग सेल वॉल ऍबसेंट म्हणजे याचा अर्थ फक्त ॲनिमल सेलमध्ये काय असणार तर इन ॲनिमल सेल द आउटर कव्हरिंग इन ॲनिमल सेल द आउटर कव्हरिंग आर प्रेझेंट दॅट इज कॉल्ड ॲज प्लास्मा मेम्ब्रेन. In animal cell, the outer covering are present, that is plasma membrane. Okay, plasma membrane. Outer covering are called as plasma membrane. Okay, so this structure are called as plasma membrane. Inside the plasma membrane, the cytoplasm are present. प्लास्मा मेम्ब्रेनच्या आतमध्ये काय प्रेझेंट असतं त्या ठिकाणी तिथे तर सायटोप्लाझम असेल. इनसाइड द प्लास्मा मेम्ब्रेन द सायटोप्लाझम आर प्रेझेंट. सो दिस स्ट्रक्चर आर कॉल्ड ॲज सायटोप्लाझम. हियर द प्लास्मा मेम्ब्रेन, सायटोप्लाझम. ओके, इन animal cell the vacuoles are smaller in size but more in number, and in plant cells the vacuoles are large in size but less in numbers. प्लांट सेल मध्ये व्हॅक्युअल हे मोठे असतात पण त्यांचे नंबर कमी असतात, म्हणजे ते कमी नंबर मध्ये असतात. आणि ॲनिमल सेल मध्ये मात्र व्हॅक्युअल्स हे कसे असतात तर स्मॉल असतात बट दे आर लार्ज इन नंबर्स. ओके, सो दिस स्ट्रक्चर आर कॉल्ड ॲज व्हॅक्युअल्स. दिस स्ट्रक्चर आर कॉल्ड ॲज व्हॅक्युअल्स. At the center of animal cell, the nucleus are present, and the outer covering of nucleus are called as nuclear membrane. Okay, the outer covering of nucleus are called as nuclear membrane. Okay, and in nuclear membrane, the small openings are present called as nuclear pore. That is called as nuclear pore. Nuclear pore. Okay, next the the network like structure are present, that is called as endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, so endoplasmic reticulum are in two types. First, rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, so rough endoplasmic reticulum are mostly arise from the nuclear membrane, so it is called as RER, rough endoplasmic reticulum. And the endoplasmic reticulum arise from plasma membrane are called as smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Here from plasma membrane the endoplasmic reticulum is arise is called as SER. SER means smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, so here smooth endoplasmic reticulum. In animal cells the plastids are present but the main cell organelle are present in both cells, that is mitochondria. So here the another cell organelle are present, that is called as mitochondria. Mitochondria. The dense particles are present in the animal cell. The dense particles are present in the animal cell, that is called as ribosomes. These dense particles are called as ribosomes. Okay, and this structure are present in animal cell also, that is called as Golgi body or Golgi apparatus. Golgi body or Golgi apparatus. Golgi bodies or Golgi apparatus. Golgi bodies. So the another two cell organelles are present in only animal cell. Which cell organelles are present in only animal cell but absent in plant cell? So the two cell organelles are, first is lysosomes. They are also called as suicide bags. Okay, and these lysosomes are present in only animal cell. Okay, and the another cell organelle that is called as centrioles. Centrioles are present in animal cell, and the part are present, the part are present of animal cell that is called as microvilli. Microvilli. So friends, this is the structure of animal cell. This is the structure of animal cell. ओके, आता दोन्ही सेलच्या डायग्राम तुमच्या समोर आहेत. एक्झाम मध्ये दोन्ही सेल पैकी जर असं जरी विचारलं गेलं ड्रॉ अ वेल लेबल डायग्राम ऑफ प्लांट सेल, तर प्लांट सेलची डायग्राम काढा. ड्रॉ अ वेल लेबल डायग्राम ऑफ ॲनिमल सेल, तर ॲनिमल सेलची डायग्राम काढायची. आणि मग आता आपल्याला काय करायचं, तर एक एक जो पार्ट असेल सेलचा तो स्टडी करायचा आहे. मग त्याच्यामध्ये सेल वॉल असेल, प्लाझ्मा मेम्ब्रेन असेल, सायटोप्लाझम असेल आणि सेल ऑर्गॅनेल्स मध्ये सर्व सेल ऑर्गॅनेलचा आपल्याला स्टडी करायचा आहे, तो पण डिटेल मध्ये. मग आता सर्वांनी त्या ठिकाणी ते सुरुवातीला ह्या ज्या दोन डायग्राम्स असतील प्लांट सेलचे आणि ॲनिमल सेलची त्या व्यवस्थित ड्रॉ करायच्या आहेत. बाकी सर्व पार्टचा स्टडी आपण त्या ठिकाणी ते नेक्स्ट लेक्चर मध्ये करूया. ओके, थँक्यू.